Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today to share some winnings that I won from Linda's Creative Boutique. And I'm just going to jump right in. She was having her 1,000 subby giveaway, and I was one of the recipients. I am going to leave her link down below, so make sure you go over and subscribe to her. She is very creative, so I would like for you to go over and tell her that I sent you. And let's just get into this here. Isn't that cute? We have yellow packaging. Let's thank you with that little pink bow. Let's see if I can keep that. Oh, this looks so cute. It's in this little plastic purse. And it says pretty things inside, Linda's Creative Boutique. Can you see that? Let's take that off. I'll pop it back on so you can see that. Like I said, I'll have her link down below. I see that she has a card in there. Let's take that out first. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, here we go. Let me just open this real quick. Says thank you so very much. Okay, we got some cards here. Let's look at the cards. Says thank you for supporting Linda's Creative Boutique and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Being creative is seeing the same thing as everybody else, but thinking of something different. Handmade by Linda with love. Really cute. And then there goes her cards. And she's found on IG as Linda's Creative Boutique, YouTube, Linda's Creative Boutique, and then also she has an email there. Really cute. And then there's this one here as well. So got all that information. Says, hi Melissa, congrats on being a recipient of my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I hope this brightens your day. Thanks for your support, Linda. And we also have some little smiley faces in there. That's cute. And then she also sent today's prayer. So now faith, hope, and love abide, but the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13:13. Love that. And what do we have in here? We have some sour punch candies, little little birdie keychain. That's cute. And oh, look at this pen. Oh my goodness, that is too cute. Love that. Looks like a lipstick container. That is so cute. Okay, let's move this aside here. And then check out this little notepad. Oh, that's so cute. It's a paint palette. Oh, look at that. I'll be able to write in that. That's too cute. Love that. And then we have some stamps. Hip stamp hooray. Look at that. Love the flowers and the little plants. Happiness blooms from within. So cute. And then we have some Bo Bunny dies. Look at that. Oops, let's see if we can read it. Just believe. And I'm not going to do well. Doesn't look like. I will have to cut these out. I know that says thanks, celebrate, and enjoy. Hugs. But I don't know what this one. Oh, love you. So those are all the dies that I have. Really cute. Thanks so much, Linda. I really appreciate everything. Thank you. And congrats on your 1,000 subs. And hope you have many, many more. And make sure you go over to her channel and tell her that I sent you. And that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.